Hey my beautiful people, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do this spiral rod set. I feel like this hairstyle is great if you're trying to grow your hair out. It's great for all ages, hair textures, and types. So we are going to take our girl from, band to notch out. If y'all hadn't seen it, go check that video out. We gave her a nice wash and condition. And today we are using Lottie Body Setting Lotion. We are going to also use the perm rods. I'm going to show you how to do that. I don't really like to use them, but yeah. The comb, I didn't know which one of these perm rods I wanted to use, but we used all pink. And some clips. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to measure it. So I'm going to show y'all up close and personal. There's these like two little empty spaces. That's how much hair you want to part out for, the lengthwise, how much you want to part out, so you can make sure that you're going to be able to get that hair around that roller. So I'm just parting from ear to, well, sort of from ear to ear, from side to side. That's how we're going to put it. From side to side on the length that we measured with it. Following up with some Lottie Body, because y'all know Lottie Body is the setting lotion, okay? And y'all see that little circle? That's how wide that part needs to be. No wider, because it's gonna look crazy. Now, my mannequin's hair is a little wiry, so I had to add some mousse, because I wasn't trying to use all my Lottie Body. Now, if I had to put a lot of Lottie Body on there, it would have wrapped around the roller real good and stayed. But because my mannequin's hair is a little wiry and I got this Dollar Tree mousse on the shelf, I'm just going to use it because I'm not going to use it on my real hair. I bought it to use on mannequin, but yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm taking and putting the mousse after the Lottie Body just to put it together. Because I ain't going to lie, that Dollar Tree mousse, y'all going to see at the end, really like flakes up. And that's why I would not use that on a real client. But hey, to practice, use the cheap stuff. So we are just literally parting it, and I am starting in the middle of the hair because the mannequin's hair is wiry or stringy. But also, if you have like different lengths of hair, maybe your hair has broken off and all that, I would start in the middle. It would help you wrap that hair around the rod, especially if you are not a big fan of end papers like me. I'm not a big fan of end papers. I do have them. I did use them when I was in school to roll people's hair, but I'm not a huge fan of them. I'd rather just start in the middle of the hair shaft and roll it around the rod, and then roll the rod tightly against the scalp. That's just my preference. So we're gonna hit that second row, and the thing about this part is, y'all know, however the hair lays on the roller and dries, that's how it's gonna look when you take it down. So if it's not straight, if it's not smooth, it's wavy on that, it's going to be wavy once it dries. So you want to make sure that you are getting under that other rod and pulling all that hair out and straightening it out and smoothing it out before you're wrapping it around that roller. Here I just parted it on the side because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the front, but I was like, maybe I wanted it to be bigger and puffier on one side than the other. I didn't really know, so that's the way I was going, because I was like, if nothing else, I can still move this around and make it into what I want. because I parted the hair on the side and I kind of thought I wanted it all going to one side. I just went down the center of that little part that I had left out and kept rolling them. So our girl is done. She's all rolled up, ready to sit under the dryer and get dry. Okay, so this is what it looks like dry. I'm just gonna take a little oil sheen. I'm gonna spray it all over her hair and spray some in my hands before I get to unraveling these rollers. So make sure that you are going in this a nice curly direction, taking them down. You don't want to go in the opposite direction. You don't want to be too rough pulling them out, because it's gonna cause frizziness, and you didn't spend all that time rolling your hair, sitting on the dryer, or letting it air dry, whatever your preference is, for it to look a mess once you were done. So now we are going to take and pull that hair tunt, and we are going to separate it. Now you can separate it as many times as you feel like. I like to do 2 to 3. It's just going to make your hair look bigger, cover up some of those parts, make it look like you really took care of your hair and took some time to make it look amazing. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Check out this playlist if you want to see more videos like this one. Until next time, peace out, much love, and thank you guys for watching.